Hi guys, today we are tackling something that can hold a lot of us back from reaching our fitness goals. Fitness myths. These myths can lead to wasted time, ineffective workouts and even injuries. So let's get down to business and debunk some of the most common ones. Ever dreamed of doing crunches and magically getting a flat stomach? That's a classic example of spot reduction. While you can definitely tone specific muscles through exercise, fat loss happens uniformly across your entire body. So crunches alone won't zap your belly fat. Focus on overall exercise and a healthy diet for a full body transformation. We've all been there, drenched in sweat after a killer workout, feeling like we have burnt a ton of calories. But hold on, sweating is simply your body's way of cooling down, not direct measure of fat loss. The intensity and duration of your workout are what truly determines calorie burn. Consider using a heart rate monitor to track your workout intensity and maximize your calorie burn. Cardio is fantastic for your heart and your overall health, but it's not the whole story when it comes to weight loss. Strength training deserves a spot on the throne too. Building muscle helps boost your metabolism, which means you burn more calories even at rest. So ditch the cardio-only mindset and embrace the power of strength training for a sculpted physique and a revved up metabolism. Pushing yourself is great, but there's a difference between feeling the burn and experiencing actual pain. Pain is your body's warning sign. Listen to it and adjust your workout to avoid injury. Remember, discomfort is okay, but pain is a no-go. Focus on proper form for effective and safe workouts. Carbs get a bad rep, but they are actually essential for energy. The key is choosing the right kind. Ditch the refined carbs like sugary treats and white bread and focus on complex carbs like whole grains, fruits and veggies. These provide sustained energy and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Fuel your body with good carbs to power your workouts and daily activities. We've all been there, indulging in a cheat meal or 10. But remember, you can't outrun a bad diet forever. Nutrition plays a crucial role in weight loss and overall health. Focus on balanced diet most of the time and allow yourself occasional treats. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Ladies, listen up. Most women simply don't have the testosterone levels needed to bulk up like a bodybuilder. Strength training actually helps build lean muscle, which gives you a toned and defined look. So grab those weights and embrace the power of strength training for a stronger, more confident you. We all want results fast, but trust me, overdoing it at the gym is counterproductive. Your body needs to rest, to recover and rebuild muscle. Aim for a balanced workout routine with rest days in between. Listen to your body, prioritize recovery, and you will see better progress in the long run. Supplements can be beneficial, but they are not magic pills. A healthy diet should always be your foundation. Whole foods provide a wide range of essential nutrients that supplements simply can't replicate. Focus on getting your nutrients from real food first and consider supplements to fill any specific gaps in your diet after consulting a healthcare professional. Feeling thirsty for more fitness knowledge? Hit that like button and subscribe for more workout tips and healthy lifestyle hacks. Let's debunk more myths together in the comment section below. What fitness myths have you encountered? Thanks for joining me today. Remember, a healthy dose of skepticism goes a long way when it comes to fitness advice. Don't let myths hold you back. Stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, have fun. Until next time, keep crushing those goals.